talks. Okay. So a very good afternoon, everyone. So I am here to take again to revise the topic pronouns. Okay, I am here to give you the hint of pronouns. As you all know, the pronouns are the words which we are using for as a substitute in the terms of substitute.
Yes, ma'am.
In a sentence. Okay, I said if you begin a sentence with a proper noun, if you begin a sentence with common noun, you can also add these pronouns accordingly in your sentence. You can use, if you begin your sentence with John Sebi, the proper noun, he left. I called him, he left from the place. Okay, so John Sebi, I can use he, his, and all, you and all in my sentences, right? So these are called pronouns.
Avoid the
We are
repetition.
using it as a substitute in a sentence to avoid the repetition of nouns, proper nouns and common nouns in your sentences. Okay. And also we discussed about personal pronouns. I said personal pronouns are related to persons, right? We are using persons. We are relating persons. It can be I, it can be you, it can be them and they. Okay, whatever it is. We already discussed. That is why I am rushing, I'm running. Okay, so children, please listen. Personal pronouns, it is actually classified or categorized.
Excuse me,
three
ma'am.
persons. Yes, you are excused, John. I thought you escaped.
Ma'am, I was not
You
escaping.
escaped from the grammar class.
Ma'am, because of my father.
Because of your father, it happened. Okay, do one thing. Call him and make him sit with you. So he won't allow you to move out from the place. Okay. If he wants to attend, let him sit in the class. Okay, no problem.
Ma'am, my father was calling.
You did not say that you're attending your class. Okay, I'll make a call to him today and I'll tell him
No,
not to
ma'am.
disturb you during grammar period.
No.
So, okay, now let us come back to the topic.
Excuse me,
Back to the topic. Now,
Ma'am, you
no
will
other
never
talk.
get
Let us come
raised.
back to the topic. Okay.
Excuse
So
me, ma'am.
pronouns,
Last note.
1 second. Pronouns. Pronouns, I said we are classifying the personal pronouns in first person, second person, third person. Okay. I am the speaker. So this is first person pronoun. The speaker. The speaker, if it is, I'm using a pronoun for indicating a speaker, then that is in personal pronoun first person. Suppose if I'm talking to you, another person, that another person is said to be the second person. Okay. Suppose if I'm talking to you guys, right? I'm talking to you children, right? So that you can be labeled as, or your can be labeled as a second person pronoun. Okay. Now the third person comes, the hero, third person. If I, the speaker, is talking to you, the listeners, and we are talking about Gautam. Okay, I am the speaker talking to Ayman. We are talking about Gautam. Ayman, that Gautam is such a naughty boy. He's not regular in the classes. He's not coming in the classes. See, I am just accusing him, right? But I have used he. Only 1 or 2 times I said the word Gautam, right? So Gautam is a third person. I hope that this is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am, it's clear.
we have to discuss about 3 cases, right? I said
Possessive
position is
case,
based
nominative.
on the position of a pronoun
Possessive.
used in a sentence. We can label nominative case pronoun, objective
Possessive
case
case.
pronoun,
Objective case and possessive. Possessive case.
Fine. So children, if a pronoun, it can be first person, it can be second person, it can be third person. If the pronouns are classified or if it is placed in the beginning position before the verb.
Nominative
I repeat,
case.
if it is placed before the verb, it plays the role of a subject in that particular sentence. Okay. So a pronoun is used in the position of a subject. Then we can label them as a nominative case pronouns. The other name is subjunctive case pronoun.
Subjective case
Listening to my class. Okay. Ambrose is listening to my class. He is writing the lecture notes. Whatever I'm saying, he's noting it down in a paper. Okay. So I said he is writing the lecture notes. Okay. So the pronoun, the third person pronoun he, which is a singular pronoun, is used in the form of a subject in a sentence. Okay.
Yes,
so that shows this position is used as a
subjective case.
subject. It is subject pronoun and we
Yes,
can
ma'am.
label it as a nominative
Yes,
case
nominative.
pronoun.
The other
Clear?
name of
Case or
nominative
subjective
case
Okay.
is subjective.
Okay. Suppose if a pronoun is used in the position of an object. Remember, object always
Sometimes the sound is breaking.
Five sounds.
No.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am, it's not breaking.
It
No.
is your problem. You please check your
Okay, ma'am.
device.
Or you can raise your
I
volume full.
request everybody to mute. I don't want anybody to talk in between. I'll give you a chance for talking. Okay. So please mute. Okay. If a pronoun is used after a verb, remember, if it is placed after a verb in a sentence, we can call it as object pronouns. Okay. A pronoun used in the position of an object in a sentence. Object means it's normally positioned after a verb. See,
Yes,
I
after
killed a snake, right? So I is a
Snake.
pronoun which I have used before
Killed.
the verb killed, and it is in the position of a subject. Okay,
After
so that
killed.
is a nominative case pronoun. Agree?
Agree, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Agree, ma'am.
Agree, ma'am.
I killed is a pronoun which I have placed it after a verb in a sentence. Okay, so killed is a verb. Will you all agree with me?
Yes, ma'am. Kill.
Who agrees?
Take is subject.
After killed only,
Yes,
I
ma'am.
have used it, the pronoun.
Yes,
As
it.
you all know, it is
Yes,
a
ma'am.
third person
Object.
pronoun, and
But-
it is representing a singular pronoun here because I am pointing out a snake here, right? So it
Yes, ma'am.
is placed in the position of an object, so which is actually an object pronoun. So you can label it as objective case pronoun there, right?
Yes, ma'am. Objective case.
Okay, my third point, we have another case also. The third case is possessive case
Possessive.
of pronouns. Okay, I told
Position
you
or an answer.
my mother is so possessive. We use a term. My mother is so possessive. Very possessive.
Yes, ma'am.
She won't even allow my father to scold me, right?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Right.
Ma'am,
And even
position
elder
or
sisters.
ownership.
Elder sisters always usually fight with brothers and sisters, but they are equal to mother. How many of you have an elder sister?
Ma'am, Rudra.
I don't have any sister. I have
I'm
Ma'am,
not
I am
happy to
the-
say that I have an
younger
elder sister.
sister.
Ma'am, I have, ma'am.
I am my elder sister.
You
Ma'am,
are
I
a
have.
sister, Angelina. Maybe your sister, little sister, is crying that, oh, I got a sister like
Ma'am,
my
she has a
Angelina
brother, ma'am,
Chichi,
not a
right?
Ma'am, I have a sister.
You
Ma'am,
have
I
a
have
sister,
elder
younger or
sister.
Yes,
younger?
ma'am. Ma'am, bigger.
I don't have any.
Talking about the size, bigger.
Ma'am, not that, ma'am. She is studying
Sister or
in
younger
BCom.
sister.
Elder.
Sure.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, elder sister. See, elder sisters are equal to mother. Okay, they are
Excuse me,
very
ma'am.
possessive. Yes.
Ma'am, can you admit that I'm joining in other device because this device charges low? Can you
Okay,
admit,
leave
please?
this meeting and join with using another device. Okay. So children,
Okay,
please
ma'am.
mind, if a pronoun is used to show a possession of something, this is my car. Okay, I have a red
Possession
car.
or
I have
ownership.
a car and that is Beat. I have a Beat, a Chevrolet Beat only, children. I'm very poor. Okay, an average member. So I have a Chevrolet Beat at home. Okay, what about you, Agni?
Ma'am, I have a younger
I don't have a
sister.
car at all. My father has. Right?
Well,
You're talking about brother. What
Ma'am, I have
thought? You're
Yes,
still
thought,
with brother. You come
brother,
out of the
sister.
brother and you
Yes,
think
brother.
about car now.
yes, car.
Okay.
Now it's
See,
Ma'am,
children,
I have a car.
I have a car. Okay, my car.
Ma'am,
I'm
I
going to
have a
talk
car.
about my car. It's,
have a car.
it is actually a
Ma'am,
small
I have
car.
car.
It is a Chevrolet Beat. My car. What about you? Chinmay?
Ma'am, I have a car.
Ma'am,
Okay, which
Ma'am, I have
okay,
a
tell
car.
me.
I have a car. Ma'am, I have a car.
Richard,
Ma'am, I have a car.
which car?
Ma'am, toy car.
Toy car. My God. You have a toy car only. Great. You are
Ma'am, I
playing
have
with your toy car
300
with
of
your
toy
little
cars.
brother. Fine.
Not
That's okay.
toy car, ma'am, real car.
This is my toy
Ma'am,
car.
I have real.
Let us
We
say
will
that
not
I
use
have a
and
toy
play
car.
with
This is
toys.
mine. I won't share this with my neighbor. This is my toy car. Okay, this is mine. Okay,
Ownership.
this is mine. This is my sister's bicycle.
Yes, ma'am. Ownership it is.
If I go for touching,
breaking,
she may come for attacking me, right?
That's correct,
So this is my sisters, which shows that this cycle belongs to actually that particular person. So there is a possession, there is an ownership of something, right?
we cannot
To
hear
show
your
this,
voice.
I request everybody to mute. I request everybody to mute. So children, to show this, we are using a possessive case pronoun. Okay, the possessive case pronouns are my, mine, your, yours, then his, hers, its and all. Okay, children? So please note down. These are the examples for possessive case pronoun. Now, let me share the screen for you.
What's the examples?
I request everybody to go through this. Okay, let us start from here. We have one example. Okay.
Ma'am, we should
Now,
write this.
I am very sorry. This is my
Ma'am,
sentence.
we should write this.
Already, I have already uploaded this in the school's website. So you can
Yes,
download
ma'am.
it and you can
Ma'am, I
write
didn't.
it. Now,
Ma'am, I wrote the notes from the school
we
website.
don't talk regarding the notes during the class hours. We are concentrating to complete this portion today and to do maximum number of exercises. Okay. So children,
ma'am.
if you have any doubt regarding the notes and all, after 6 o'clock, you can make a call to me. Okay. So children, please listen. Now I have a sentence here. I am very sorry. So this question, Sri Shankar. Sri Shankar, look at the sentence and tell me the pronoun, tell me the person, tell me the case.
Yes, ma'am. I
Let's
am
only
very
look at the
sorry.
first sentence.
Yes, ma'am. I am very sorry. Ma'am, the pronoun I.
Okay.
The person it is, ma'am, first person.
Okay.
Ma'am, then the subject.
So?
Ma'am, case. Ma'am, the case is subjective case.
That means we can label it as?
Nominative case.
Very good. So nominative case, first person pronoun. Clear now? Okay.
Yeah, ma'am.
Angelina
Yes, ma'am,
Martin.
clear.
Angelina Martin, look at the second sentence. And tell me person, pronoun and number. Number and plus the case also.
Okay. The doctor polished my teeth. My teeth. It is
Pick out the pronoun from the sentence.
my.
Okay, my. Tell me singular or plural.
Singular.
Very good. It is singular in form. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me first person, second person or third person.
First person.
First person. Very good. Tell me the case of this. Whether it is in the
Sir.
position of a subject or it is placed in the object or it is used to show the possession. Which one?
Possession.
Possession. Very good. It shows the ownership. Ownership,
Okay.
right? See,
Yes,
teeth.
ma'am.
This teeth is mine, not yours. Okay, so possession. Okay, so tell me what is it? Which case?
Case. Possessive case.
Very good. This is in possessive case. Very good. So next question. Gautam.
Can I say,
Question number 3.
ma'am, we,
Tell me. Pronoun.
we,
We. Pronoun. Okay,
yes,
number.
we, number, plural,
Louder.
plural,
Plural. Okay, plural. Very good. Okay, tell me the person.
first person,
Very good. First person. Okay, tell me the case.
subjective,
Subjunctive means?
nominative,
Very good.
Yes,
Nominative case. Okay, very good. Nominative case pronoun. Look at the next slide, children. I have another slide here. Now, look at the first example. Okay, the question goes to Rizin Zuhara. Rizin,
Yes, ma'am.
read the first sentence. Pick out the pronoun.
Have you finished your homework?
Okay.
Ma'am, you and your.
Okay, are the pronouns. What is
Yes,
you,
ma'am.
singular or plural? What is your, singular? First, let us talk about you only. Okay, your I'll give to some other person. Okay, so Rizin Zuhara, you say
Yes,
you
ma'am.
is among the two. You is one pronoun, right? Okay.
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
tell me the number of those pronouns, singular or plural.
Ma'am, it is singular.
Very good. It is singular in form. First person, second person, or third person?
Second person.
It is second person pronoun. Okay, case?
Ma'am, cases, cases, subjective case.
Excellent. This is in subjunctive case. Subjunctive case means?
Nominative case.
Excellent. It is a question, right? If it is a question,
Yes, ma'am.
normally always the subject comes in the beginning of a sentence, but as it is a question, it falls after the auxiliary verb. Okay. So it is a nominative case. Very good. Nominative. Very good. Okay. So I got the first
Thank
one.
you, ma'am.
Now I am asking Angelina Jose. Your is another pronoun, Angelina Jose. Okay. So please tell me the person before that number, singular or plural? It's not clear. Have you finished your homework? You can read your lips. If it is plural, that is wrong. It is not plural. Have you finished your homework? It's not clear anyway, Angelina. You are facing some audio.
She is telling it is singular.
She is telling singular. Okay, Angelina,
Yes,
singular. Okay, agree. This is singular pronoun. Okay, tell me the number. Okay, singular. And tell me the person.
Second person.
Very good. Second person. Okay, tell me the case.
Possessive case.
Excellent. So it is in which case?
Possessive case.
Very good. It is in possessive case.
Because
Okay, fine.
Excuse
So
me,
next
ma'am, I
person,
have a
Dia.
doubt. Ma'am, I
Dia.
have a doubt.
Ma'am, is
Yes,
first
ma'am.
person? Ma'am, you is
Ma'am,
first
Anandesh
person?
have a doubt.
Dia.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Ma'am,
Yes,
Anandesh have a
ma'am.
doubt.
One person is asking me a doubt. Let me see. Let me hear.
Ma'am,
Who is asking?
Anandesh.
Anandesh.
Yes.
Anandesh.
Ma'am, if the ma'am, if the sentence is another, then we can place you into the plural. So
Yes, of course you can. You are my children. You are my children. There you represent a plural noun, right? You are my children. So there you is plural in form. Absolutely.
according to the sentence, we can
According
change
to the
it.
sentence, it varies. Very good.
Okay,
According
ma'am.
to the sentence, it varies. If it is talking about plural, then you becomes plural. That is why I have told you, you can be used in the position of singular subject. You can also be used in the position of a plural subject, right? I am talking to you, Anantesh. So there, Anantesh is singular in form. Okay, I'm talking to you children. There you is plural in form because I'm talking to many children in this
Yes,
class,
you
right?
can't
So it
be
depends
singular.
upon the sentence. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So, okay, next person, Dia. Dia,
Excuse
I'm
me,
talking to
ma'am. Why
you.
did you ask me? Okay, ma'am. Did you study for your test?
Pick out the pronoun.
You.
First one, you're preferring only you, right? Okay, Dia. You. You
Yes,
and
ma'am.
yours other.
You
You and your
and
other.
your
Pronoun there.
other pronouns,
No
ma'am.
problem.
It
No
is a
problem.
second
I want
person.
you to tell me the you only, the person, number, and
Okay,
case of
ma'am.
this you only.
Okay, ma'am. You is a second person
Yeah, second person, singular or plural?
and subjective. It is singular.
Not clear, Dia? Singular or plural?
It is singular, ma'am.
Very good. It is singular in form. Case?
Subject.
It is actually used as a subject. So it is in nominative case, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. This is a nominative case. Okay, fine. So I have another person now. Adil Shafiq. Adil?
Ma'am.
Talk about your. Adil, can you hear me?
Second person.
Second person. Number? Number, singular or plural?
Singular.
Singular. Very good. Okay. Case?
Possessive.
Possessive. Excellent. You're getting it. Very good. Okay. Next question. Shreya.
Yes, ma'am. The pronoun is you.
Number?
Singular. Singular.
Singular. Okay, it can be singular or plural, but I am talking to you here. I have told Manu and Rahul are talking, right? So you
Yes,
will say that this is singular. Okay.
case, objective case.
Case, objective. Very good. It is in the position
Ma'am,
of an object in the
yes.
sentence. So this is an objective case pronoun.
Also, it depends on a sentence.
What person is it?
Second. Yes, correct.
Freya?
Ma'am, second person.
And she told
Second person. Okay, second person. Okay, thank you. So let us go to the next page.
Yes, ma'am.
I have Neha Sharath here. Neha?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Neha, look at the sentence and tell me.
He loves to watch cricket.
Okay.
He.
What is he?
He is the pronoun.
Okay. Singular or plural?
It's singular.
Okay, it is singular. Which person?
Second.
Is it second
No.
person?
Third person.
This is third person pronoun. Okay. Case?
Subject.
Subjective.
Yes.
Subject. So?
Nominative.
Very good.
Yes.
This is nominative case pronoun. Very good. So now, Pavitra. Pavitra.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Pavitra, read the
Yes.
second sentence and find.
She is my cousin sister. She, ma'am.
Pavitra.
She and mine. Yes, ma'am.
Could you please repeat?
She is my cousin. She is my cousin sister. She and mine.
Very good. She and my. You please talk about only she. My, I'll ask some other person. Okay. Okay.
Ma'am,
She.
she is third person pronoun.
Third person pronoun. Singular or plural?
Singular, ma'am.
Very good.
And nominative, ma'am.
Excellent. Nominative case. Now another one. My. Vishnu Venu.
Yes, ma'am.
My. Vishnu? Oh, I can't hear Vishnu. Tanya.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
My is third person pronoun.
My third person. Is my a third person pronoun?
Ma'am, it's first person.
First, second
Tanya?
person. Second.
Tanya, are you here in the class?
Yes.
Look at the pronoun clearly and tell me. My. Which pronoun? My means here the speaker.
Person. First person.
This is example for
Yes,
first
first
person. Okay, singular or plural?
Singular.
Yes.
Singular. Okay. Then tell me. Case.
Case is nominative.
Is it the subject of the sentence?
No, it is
Is it
not.
used
No,
before
no, no.
verb in a
It
sentence?
is wrong. Ma'am, it is wrong. She told wrong.
My cousin. She
Objective.
is my cousin. She is my cousin sister.
Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am, can
Ma'am,
Rosie?
can I, ma'am? Ma'am,
Means you
Sri
cannot
Shankar.
call her your
Ma'am,
cousin
Jaini.
sister.
Ma'am, can Rosie?
Tell me.
Objective.
It is
No.
not an object here.
No.
Ma'am,
Nominative
can Rosie?
case. Nominative
Possessive
case.
case.
It is not as objective case pronoun, so
Possessive
only
case.
one left out. That is possessive case.
Yes, it is
Tanya,
ownership.
Ma'am, it shows the
possession.
it is
I is always
ownership.
used- Yeah,
Yes.
it shows ownership or
So it will
possession.
be
Okay,
mine.
so it shows that
Possessive.
that particular person is my cousin sister, not your cousin sister. So mine is actually used as a possessive pronoun.
Possession.
Okay, how
Ma'am,
many
I have a doubt.
Yes.
Ma'am, if in the sentence it is mine, the mine is coming in like in the place of object, no? So we won't tell it as object.
It shows a kind of possession. This pen is mine. Okay, it shows
Okay, ma'am.
possession. This pen belongs to me. Okay,
Okay,
so
ma'am.
there's a possession, right? So to show the possession, we
Yes,
have to
ma'am.
use possessive case or the pronouns.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes,
After the sentence, we should move the cases.
I didn't get.
ma'am, if a pronoun like mine and me and all come in object in the place of object,
me comes in the place of object, but mine and all always representing a possession of something.
Okay, ma'am. Okay,
Me,
ma'am.
you can be, she is talking to me. So me is an object pronoun always.
Object.
Okay, mine is possessive. Okay,
ma'am.
so I have Shiva Gayatri here. Shiva?
Yes, ma'am.
Shiva, look at, I am visiting her house.
Yes, ma'am. Her.
Her, what is her?
Third person.
Okay, third person pronoun. Agree? Singular or plural?
Singular.
Singular. Don't be doubtful. Okay. Case?
Subject.
Is it subject? So what about I? No, ma'am. You did not mention I also.
Okay.
Yeah, that was
I am visiting her house. The house belongs to her.
Okay, subject. Object.
I am visiting her house. It belongs. See, if it is Shiva Gayatri, I am visiting Shiva Gayatri's house today. Okay, the house belongs to Shiva Gayatri. It is not mine. So what is it? The pronoun her shows a possession, isn't it? An ownership,
Yes,
isn't it?
Possessive.
So what is it?
Possessive.
Yes.
Ma'am, she told the
possessive.
She said possessive. Okay, this is an example for
ma'am can share
possessive case pronoun. Okay, next question, Vishnu. Are you ready to give me the answer for the question? I am visiting her house today. What is I?
Yes, ma'am. Can you?
Are you all noting this? Are you all doing in your book? All these exercises, identification. Okay. So children, please tell me, Vishnu, please tell me I. What is I?
Ma'am, this you should write in our rough book.
Everyone should write it in your notebook, in a paper, because we are identifying, right? You can expect questions like this in your examination. Okay.
Ma'am, can you show from the first slide? I did not wrote it.
Yes. Vishnu Venu is having some problem with his network problem, I think.
Yes, ma'am,
it's not stable. Okay, so Blesswin Sinshaw. Okay. So I, tell me.
Singular.
Singular.
First person.
Very good.
Subject.
That means?
Nominative case.
Very good. Nominative case. So fast. Very good. You got it. Anandesh?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Look at the next question.
This is his car. Ma'am, this it's a pronoun.
This is his car.
Yes, ma'am. His.
His. We are talking about only personal pronouns now. Okay,
Yeah.
so his.
Ma'am, it's singular.
It is singular.
Ma'am, then it is first person, third person.
Third person. Okay.
Possessive case. Possessive.
Okay, this is
Yes,
possessive
ma'am,
case.
possessive.
Renan, have you all got this?
Yes, ma'am. Because he's.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, next one. Next one.
person's
Chinmay.
car.
Chinmay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next question. They bought a new house.
They.
Huh.
Third person.
Third person. Singular or plural?
Plural.
Okay, plural. Case?
Objective.
My God, they bought a new car or new house.
Ma'am, possessive.
No, subjective.
Subjective.
Yes, nominative.
Subjective case. That
Subjective,
is
nominative.
nominative case.
Yes.
Look at here. We can divide
Nominative.
the sentence into, we
Yes,
can divide the sentence into subject and predicate, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. And they is in subject. It is
Predicate. So
they is subject
is in
and
the
bought
place
a
of
new
subject.
houses.
Okay, it is in the position of a subject. So is it
Yes,
an object pronoun or a subject pronoun?
Subject pronoun. So it is in the nominative.
Subject pronoun. So
Or
example,
nominative case.
Nominative case.
nominative case. Okay, nominative case. Okay, so look at the next one. Everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Look at the next example.
Yes, ma'am.
Nominative, the pronouns which serve as a subject in a case. Look at the examples written here, children. I am young.
Young.
I, the first person pronoun, singular in form and used as a
Yes,
subject of a
subjective.
sentence, right?
Subjective.
You can divide the sentence
Nominative case.
Quiet. You can divide the sentence into subject and predicate, isn't it?
Okay, ma'am.
I is subject,
I is subject.
and am young is predicate.
Predicate.
So I, the pronoun is used in the position of a subject. So we can call it a subject pronoun. So it is a nominative case. Look at the second example.
We can find the nominative case with the predicate and subject.
Angelina?
Ma'am, I am just
it is easy for us.
Okay,
Only to find out subject and nominative case pronoun. It is easy because you know how to divide a sentence into subject and predicate, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So once you divide it into subject and predicate, the subject, the pronouns used in the position of a subject, the doer of an action. Okay, so we can use it as nominative case pronouns. Okay, so let me share the screen once again. He plays cricket. Okay, here if you divide, as Angelina Jones asked, if we divide the sentence into subject and predicate, he, the pronoun, comes in the position of a subject. Plays cricket is the predicate, isn't it, Angelina?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
so it shows it is the doer of an action. So this is in subjunctive case, or we can label it as nominative case pronouns, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
Ayman.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, look at the sentence. Objective case pronoun. I will go with him. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, look at here. You tell me why I have labeled it under objective case pronoun. Is there any reason?
Ma'am, it is telling us that that person's.
It is telling?
It's telling that it's that.
It is the
It's
object in the
of-
sentence, right? It is used after a verb in the position of an object.
Yes,
Okay?
ma'am. What?
So children, we need to practice with more exercises. Okay? So I have already
We will start
uploaded
with the
these notes to the
excuse me, ma'am.
website. And
So
I
when we
have
will
a
start with
request.
the
I hope that you have got your worksheets or workbook from the school. Okay?
Yes,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Finish your
No.
exercise worksheet number 1. And for that you can use your dictionary.
No, ma'am. No.
Okay, and pronouns also. Up to pronouns, you
Ma'am, I
try to
didn't
finish.
get it.
You have to come to school and get it.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Today I
We
will
should
come.
come to school and
Worksheet number one.
Select your worksheet from the school.
Ma'am,
And
tomorrow.
up to pronouns. Okay, you should practice up to pronouns in the worksheet. Okay.
Okay.
Okay,
One
ma'am.
day, one
Okay,
page
ma'am.
is enough. You take one day, one page.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
For doing the first page, you have to use your dictionary because you may be getting a word in adjective and you need to find out what is it noun form, what is it adverb form. If there is any adverb form, then only you need to write. Okay. I hope that you have all received a dictionary from school. First of all, you please listen. Good listeners will be good persons in future. So
Yes,
try
ma'am.
to listen. Whenever a teacher is giving you some directions, then going for asking question, you have to first listen. Once the listening task is over, then you will be getting enough and more time for asking questions. Okay. So children, listen first. Up to pronouns. You please take your school grammar worksheet, which you have got it from. Yes, Angelina is also sharing that. This book.
Ma'am, I don't have. I will take tomorrow.
You please collect it from the school. This book.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you
Tomorrow
may
I'm
be
going
getting a
to
printed
school.
book like this from the school. These are the school worksheet printed and clipped it together. And you please complete the pages 1, 2, and 3. I think up to pronouns. Thank you. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you,
so
ma'am.
up to page number
Which all worksheets,
up
ma'am?
to the topic pronouns. Okay, there you will be getting a small paragraph in the pronoun worksheet. There is a small paragraph. You pick out the pronouns and you position whether it is singular in use or plural in use, whether it is a nominative case pronoun, whether it is used as a object case pronoun. No. Okay, up to pronoun, every day you take one page and finish it. Don't finish it all together. Okay, first page today, second page tomorrow. So for doing first and second pages, you need to use your dictionary at home. Okay, use it and find out.
Okay,
Thank you so much, children.
Have a nice day, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you for